Oh, you're looking so pretty. Are you playing? देख कैसे शर्मा रही है. She's having
now
fun.
she's relaxing with that.
I know.
She's just hanging out.
What is she saying?
Saying nothing. She's just being lazy.
Who
Hello,
called?
Mati.
Hello.
So
Mati.
short.
How are you, Mati?
Mati, can you call?
Hello. Talk to you later. Hello.
Oh, she's gonna talk. Hello.
Hello, Mati. How are you? Are you doing okay? Hi, Mati. Oh. इसकी string stuck होगी.
Yeah. It probably has to be opened up. And
Good toys.
undone.
बहुत अच्छी टॉय है.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go downstairs, baby. We'll go down. and
Is
play
she
that.
gonna crawl?
Yeah, I'm sure. She's got. Stop him. You call the bank,
Yeah.
and then you just tell them. What if I don't know the check number?
You just to tell the name and
But
say
don't you do automatic?
why you won't
Yeah.
have the name number?
Well, no, that was a written check, but
Then you should have the copy.
yeah, but I don't have it with me. It's in the.
You can call and check with them the name.
Nobody will cash. She may have
I don't think
lost.
so either. Like.
She lost mine too.
Because you can't cash it.
Yeah.
You can.
Unless you.
Yeah, unless somebody is cheating, they have to sign.
No,
the
it's
name.
some. If she,
No, you can cash it.
Cash it if
But they're not.
somebody-
It's not. If it's not under your name, they're not going to be able to cash it, right?
But they can
'Cause
give you the name.
they will, but then they'll. I mean, yeah, you can't cash
Then-
it. You can put it in your account, but then they'll check it and be like, "That's not the right name." right?
Yeah, I know. It's not gonna. But you can. You don't need to stop. I think they charge you for $8 for stopping. How much is the check?
Yeah, it's not worth it. It's like $50.
Yeah.
तू उसको $50 दिया?
That was a Rocky. Is for Rocky, I think.
राखी पे.
That's
Oh,
not-
no, maybe it was $100.
$100.
It was probably $100 for Rocky.
You better stop it.
Well,
You call the bank and say there was a $100
Yeah.
bill on this name.
I think it was $100.
It has
Are
to
you
be-
standing?
पहले देता था तो 50 बोला।
Are you standing? हाँ देख हंस रही है सादा हंसाओ से हंस रही. She's having fun.
मेरे की touch it.
ये उंगली दिखाती है.
शुक्र है राइट उंगली दिखाती ना.
Yeah, what does
दिखाती.
that means? Watch it. Watch it. Huh? Ooh. Ooh. Shad, I've been pulling my hair to turn that TV on. I cannot do
Give
that.
me here. Give me the thing.
Yeah, these are the two.
So that's so wait.
That is the TV and that
I
is the
didn't use that
cable.
one though.
TV
DVD पे आ गया था.
TV is the one you
Hey,
need.
did you open that thing? Because that's part of the problem sometimes. Is
That has nothing to do with
No,
that.
we don't never touch DVD.
And there's nothing there because that's tied from above.
there, so that's on.
I know, but then it goes somewhere.
What do you mean that goes somewhere?
Mati!
Never touch
So
the
you know
top of
about
it.
switching these, right?
Yeah.
No, I don't know
There,
about
we
it.
never
there, it's
switch.
on.
No, it's not on.
Sure, it's on. The TV's on. Dish Network's on. Watch.
Okay, so
Guide.
now show the picture.
Well, because select to watch TV. There.
Select नीचे है, middle में.
Here, can you open that drawer? I think.
Why are you working from there?
Well, isn't that where the
No, we don't.
Dish Network? Where's their dish?
No, dishes are up on the air.
How does the dish is right there, right?
No, we don't.
No, we don't have
You
it.
don't have
No.
a dish here, so how does it?
Dish
It's
up-
connected
up-
through
connected
cable
to
from
the
up.
satellite.
Oh,
That's why you've been doing wrong. This is have that.
what's the difference between 115 and that's your.
What is DVD? I don't
Well, that's
understand.
if you want to use your DVD player.
I know, but I don't.
I know. I'm just doing
We have a
see the
different one to
options.
use.
HDMI, HDMI 2. Why aren't you plugged into HDMI? There, it's right
Hey,
there.
something came.
Yeah, 116.
What did
So
you
the
do?
difference is that it was on 125 for some reason.
Oh, उसने switch कर दिया वो जो number बताया था ना
So like,
उसने.
if you hit
That number
if
got
you hit the select button here, see, it needs to be on 116 apparently.
I tried that. Even that didn't work.
But now you should be able to move your channels.
Mati!
Yeah, there.
Fuki! Fuki!
But हटा देना वो ऊपर जो side में.
Oh yeah, that'll go away.
Oh.
That should go away on its own. Oh here.
Bah!
देखो कैसे आ
वाह।
गई समुद्र पार करके आ गई.
Bah! Bah!
let her figure it out. She'll do it.
It is so difficult.
Well, she's not figured out there. Yeah, there.
Yeah,
So
she
to
got
get
it.
the leg over first before she tries to get up.
No, she's not doing it. Stand up.
टॉय पे आएगी ना. Pookie! Pookie!
मुझे मत लेना.
Huh?
I look so bad in the movie.
I'm not
I haven't
taking
done
it.
even combed my hair since morning.
Pookie!
She just throws stuff. Hit it.
She likes that. Every time उसका बॉल बोलता है ना तो वापस आता.
She wants to go stand here, but then she.
हाँ, उसके ऊपर रख दे ना.
ध्यान उधर लग
उधर रख दे. टॉय उधर रख दे.
So the movie that you made yesterday, it's not listed, so I don't have any idea who it goes to.
No, only Alicia and Rosemary,
Yeah.
Paulina, you.
Uh-huh.
That's it.
Why do you have to blind carbon it then?
No, why have to what?
You blind carboned it. It says it's.
Always I blind carbon because I don't want other people to know everybody's address.
Right, I know, but that's what I'm saying. If you're only doing it to 4 people, you don't need to blind carbon it. When you
Yeah.
blind carbon it makes it look like it's going to a lot of people.
No. Blind carbon means it only goes to
It goes to
people.
people that you want it to go to, but I don't know who it is what the point is. So
Yeah, so only
if-
to
if-
your
for, for the ones that you do with us, if you're only sending it to 4 people, you don't need to blind carbon it.
Not only that, I have to change my.
Because also when you blind.
All right, Mom. Let's see. Come on, walking.
She's not doing it anymore.
थक गई.
Happy नहीं.
She'll do it. She'll do it again.
Yeah.
Bumba.
No, she doesn't want to do anymore. It's easier to crawl.
I know. क्या
You
बोल?
want to watch? Good. Let's try it again. No, she didn't want to
She was pooping
She was pooping just now?
upstairs. नहीं, upstairs.
Oh, she did?
I think so. मुंह लाल हो रहा था, but
Oh,
I don't
yeah.
know if it came
She
out.
probably did poop then. We'll have to change her a little bit.
नहीं जब. Let's go this way.
Go.
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 Papa. Go to Papa. Go to Papa. Come on.
She sees him walking, na? So that
Come on. 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 pumpkin.
come on up. आज.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Do you want to support her or do you want me to do it?
I'll watch it.
Yeah, we gotta get like right behind her because she could fall easy.
Yeah, I'll stay.
Come on. Ra.
Go. Eh? Yeah, Papa is there. Papa is there. वही कितनी फास्ट चल रही.
वो
Oh
अपना
my God, she's
डंडा नहीं यूज
moving.
कर रही. She's not using the डंडा.
No, it's okay. Because I'm not peeking from there.
नहीं,
If I
उधर
was
वाला.
standing there, then she'll use the danda.
Yeah, she doesn't need it.
She's not. Because I was standing there, so she wanted to look at me. She used to peek from here. Rest a little bit, baby. Rest. बड़ी fast चल रही
Yeah, I
है.
mean, that's why you gotta be right behind her.
Today
because she
she's-
sometimes goes
She's
pretty
going too fast. उसको खुद को बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. That she can do that. here. Go ahead.
Almost. Even I used to go up to here only, then I couldn't climb.
You get all the way, baby?
Yeah. You do. Yeah.
Alright, Ring, we're almost there.
I'll do it. Yeah.
Almost.
Yes.
Almost. Can you come? Last two.
What?
Last two.
One more.
One more. One more.
One more.
One more.
Hui hui.
Oh, two more time.
There's- Hui hui.
One more.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, she did it. She did it. Did it.
Go.
Pookie.
Go to daddy.
Boo boo. Boo boo.
Yeah.
Boo Oh boy.
और एकदम स्पीड से आई है
I know.